Hey friends, it's the Succulents box here again with another fall DIY for you. We're changing it up a tiny bit, and today we're just gonna go ahead and do this. It's actually a candle holder. I thought it'd be fun to go ahead and put some succulents in here and turn it into more of a centerpiece, maybe a table centerpiece or a coffee table centerpiece. So yeah, let's get started. I've got all my succulents here laid out. I think I'm gonna probably fill it a tiny bit with some rocks at the bottom because this doesn't have a drainage hole. So I think it would be best and the smartest thing to do to put some pebbles at the bottom. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'll get started on each one and fill with rocks, soil, and then we'll get to potting. I'm using my potting kit. Again, this scoop comes in handy for so many different things. I've got a bag of rocks down there that I didn't want to bring to the table because it's just so heavy. So I'm ready to start potting my succulents, and I have a Echeveria ruffles here, nicely stressed. It gives off this kind of red or pinkish margin. I just love it. It's just amazing. And as they get bigger, they just seem to get more and more beautiful. A little more dirt here. And I've got this beautiful Echeveria. I mean, one of my favorites. And I'm drawing a blank on the name of this one right now, but it's also gorgeous. Purple, so beautiful. Another favorite here, it's a sedum Little Missy. It's a green with a little white margin right now, but these also, when stressed, they pop a little tiny bit of pink in there, and it's just this vibrant, pretty pink. It brings such a fun texture to a lot of arrangements I've made. I love that. So there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and probably put in some more pebbles here just to kind of make it a little more exciting. And there you have it, a nice fall centerpiece, something you can convert after the fall into something else. I'm sure if you added some little branches to this, or you can weave some garland through to turn it into something different, maybe something for Christmas. There's a lot of options with this. It can probably transition right into spring as well. And with that, thank you so much, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.